Hi there, this is Gina and welcome to my channel and welcome back to another unboxing video. I received the limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook and that is what we will unbox today. And this one is for the month of April. All right, let's get started. And we have an ephemera pack which I will unveil at the end. And oh my gosh, I've got two. I was about to move on to my flowers, but hey. And they're different. Oh my gosh. Well, that's new. Oops, somebody came out. Oh wow, all right, that's exciting. I have two ephemera packages to look through, yay. All right, so here are our 3 packs of Prima paper flowers. Beautiful colors. Ooh, it's pretty purple. Very nice. And oh, here's another little piece of ephemera. And clear stamps. And you know what? I think I've got this one. Don't I have that? I think I do. Gosh. Now I have to know. Hold on, I have to go check. No, I don't. It's very similar. But look, it is not the same. Hello, beautiful. I don't have that. I've got Beauty Lies Within and Love. Okay, this one's got Hello, beautiful. May you always be brave enough to fly, smile, be your own kind of beautiful. Nice, I love it. And look, it's very complimentary. So you can mix and match, I'm sure. Although it does look like these ones have layers, the layered stamps. Ah, great! Yay! I don't have it. Oh, look at that stencil. Another wonderful stencil in this month's kit. Look at that. I really like the one from last month too. Isn't that neat? I love that pattern. Oh, look. Little chipboards. And boy, that goes really well, doesn't it? Look at that. All right, the real nice and thin ones are very delicate. So it's really great to use on cards because it doesn't weigh a whole lot. It's not big and chunky. That's great. Oh, okay, here we come to the papers. That's my favorite part. All right. Oh, look. Another little piece of ephemera had escaped. Okay. Here is our first sheet, and it's called... Let's see, the collection is Watercolor Floral Collection, and this page is called Dreamy Florals. Very springy. Okay. Oh, I think we have 2 of those, and yes, we do. Yay. All right, let's see. Here is a peachy kind of color. Let's see. It's almost like the green one, isn't it? It's very similar. But... not exactly. Isn't that pretty? This one's called, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's right, 2 of those. This one's called Watercolor Cards. Oh, very nice. Pretty bench. That's the back. I love watercolor, so it stands to reason I will like this collection. Oh, and we have 2 of those. Very good. And here is our next one, and it's called In the Water Garden. That is pretty. Yeah, it's very, the images are very much watercolor images, so this collection was very well named. They're really pretty. I love the flowers. Ooh, and pretty blue. Isn't that nice? Very pretty. Oh, look. Cute watercolor drops. Oh, isn't that cute? That is great. These are really cool if you have like a 2-inch circle punch. These are great to punch out, and then you could use them for a variety of things. You can alter paper clips and use them to put in your journals, and use them for your sentiment. There you go. Pop that out and put that on the card, and that can be your sentiment. It's endless. So yeah, there are a number of things you can do. Helps if you have the punch, but if not, you can always draw a circle, you know, get a lid or something and draw your circle and cut around it, but the punch is ideal. Ooh, wow, look at that. Ooh, very dramatic. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Wow, it's got a little bit of every color on it. Okay, I love the yellow. Look how pale it is. That is kind of right up my alley. This, honestly, not so much. But this, yes, I love that. This one's called Artful Brush Strokes. And that absolutely makes sense. Okay. That's pretty too. That's a pretty blue. Ooh, look at that. A lot of greenery. That would make a great background piece for your card. Let's see, this is called Peaceful Bliss. Very nice. This is a lot of times when I'm practicing watercolor, this is what I'm doing, is painting these kind of little leaves. Practicing my leaf. Oh, we have 2 of those. Ooh, wow, look at that. Now that has lots of colors in it, but you know, it's so subdued. I love it. Now this is a different collection. This is from 49 and Market. I can tell because the pages, the paper is a lot heavier, a lot thicker. And the collection is called Romanticism. Oh, I'm sorry. It's part of the Irrevocable Beauty collection. My bad. The paper, this page is called Romanticism. How about that? I've gotten other pieces of this Irrevocable Beauty. I don't think I have this one though. Isn't that pretty? I love that little image. Nice. Let's see, this might be another piece for that from that collection, and it's not. It's still 49 and Market, but looks like this one is called, the collection is Vintage Artistry, and I think I've gotten pages from that collection before as well. But again, not this page. I don't recall this page. This is called Ingenue. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Wow. I love that. See, I do like, I can do pinks and blues and purples and stuff like that, and I do love those colors, but I prefer them like this when they're really soft and subdued. Oh, look at that. Huh. I love the little edges of these pages. A lot of times they have, oh yeah, look, spread your wings and fly. Let your dreams take flight. So yeah, always check the little edge piece. I can't think of the name for it. But a lot of times there's you can grab a sentiment there, or they have something really decorative. Yeah, they have something that's, you know, really decorative that you can use. So I have a whole bag full, a Ziploc bag, just full of these little straps. All right, well, those were the pages. So let's take a look now at the ephemera. My ephemera was hiding underneath all the pages. I had a couple little pieces come out. Now, we get to have, oops, okay, there must be a hole. Yep, I found it. I might as well just open it up from there and let it all come out. There you go. There. All right. So yeah, this one looks like lots of watercolor, flowers and leaves. So that would be really great because it definitely goes with that collection. So it'd be great to use as a focal point or just a, you know, as decoration for your card. So yeah, that is awesome. I love those. I love the watercolor look. Let's see what we've got on this side. Okay, some more florals. Looks like we have some more more variety over here. A bow. What's this? You have what it takes. Oh, looks like this was like on a banner. Yeah, there you go. It's like a little banner. All right, cool. It's nice. You make me smile even when I'm not with you. Aw, that's nice. Another bow, some butterflies. 39 cents. Oh, there's the little birdhouse. I do like birdhouses. Oh, an arrow. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, that is just precious. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Oh, and a stamp. Wow, there's all kinds of stuff in this one. With a little card. Some more sentiments. Okay, wow. Oh, and 25 cents. Wow, look at that. That is a lot to work with. So yeah, this is a card maker's dream kit right here. So, that's awesome. All right, let me get organized and we will do a recap. All right, we have got our beautiful papers. We've got these gorgeous chipboards and a stencil that practically matches perfectly. And we've got these stamps. That's awesome. We've got 3 packs of Prima flowers that perfectly match our papers and everything else. And we've got 2 packs of ephemera with tons of items here. So what a great kit. So I'm going to take my pictures because for those of you who don't know, hang on till the very end because I do take close-up pictures of everything I get in the kit and I put the pictures at the end of the video. And I actually do that no matter what video I make. Anytime I make something, there's always pictures at the end that are close up so you can get a better look. As usual, I'll have the link to my creative scrapbook down below in the description box. So if you're interested and you want to just take a look and see what they've got, feel free to click on that. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. It's just there if you want to take a look. If you enjoyed this video, give me that thumbs up and let me know. And I'd love to hear what you think about the kit. So leave me a comment and let me know. All right, that's going to be it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.